Hello and welcome to this traffic video tutorial. In this series of videos, I'm going to be talking about a hot free traffic source, and this free traffic source is found on a particular website that gets just under 20 million unique visitors per month and 170 million page views per month. So it's one of the most popular websites out there, yet most marketers haven't tapped into this hot traffic source, and there have been some marketers that have been taking advantage of this traffic source and been generating thousands of dollars. So in this video series, I'm going to teach you how to tap into this traffic source the right way. So with that said, I'll see you in the next video. Alright, welcome back. So in this short video, I'm just gonna quickly mention what this traffic source is. This traffic source is reddit.com, and I'm sure many of you may have heard of it already. Due to its popularity, it's also called the front page of the internet. And Reddit is, as you can see here on Google, it's described as an entertainment, social networking service and news website where registered community members can submit content such as text posts or direct links. And I'm sure a lot of you may already visit this site on a regular basis, but I'm sure there's a lot more people that have yet to visit this site. So in the next video, I'm just going to talk about how to get familiar with this site and just talk about some terminology, some terms that you may want to get familiar with first before marketing on this site. Alright, so in this video, I just want to get you familiar with this site, reddit.com, and understand the certain terms that are used on this site. So here we are on the front page of reddit.com, and there are over 100,000 different groups or niches that you can target. And these niches, or whatever you want to call them, on this site, they're called subreddits. Okay, and there's over 100,000 of them. Some have hundreds of thousands of members, and there are some that have as few as a dozen, or just a few hundred, or 1,000. Okay, so here's just a few of these subreddits. There's funny, gaming, creepy, get motivated. So if you're in the motivation niche, sports, there's some in the fitness. Here's personal finance. So if you're in a finance niche or want to target that group, you could choose this. And so basically you could click here, more, to find more, or you can do a search. So basically you could type in fitness, weight loss, or let's just do that right now, weight loss. And here's the different subreddits here, and the numbers in the brackets shows you how many members are in each group. So this one has 15,000. So basically, when you're first starting out, you know, even just 1,000 members, that's a good group that you can target. Okay. Now, subreddits, they can be public or private. And another thing I should tell you about is whenever someone does a post, let's just go back to the front page here. The members can either do an upvote or a downvote. So it's similar to Facebook. If you like something, you press like here, you could do an upvote. Or if you don't like something, you can do a downvote. And basically this number here is the number of upvotes minus downvotes. So this number here does play a factor in getting your post ranked on Reddit. Also, although it's not really a big factor, there are other factors out there. No one knows for sure what their algorithm is, but it does play a role in getting your site or getting your post ranked on this site. And there's also something called karma, which is a reflection of the goodwill that you've done for the Reddit community. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to help you understand the market that you are marketing to here on reddit.com. The average user here, their age is actually between 25 to 34 years old. and this is the lowest income bracket. So it's not really a group that you're going to want to try to sell or market high-priced items right off the bat. It's great if you're building a list, want to promote your free giveaway items to build your list, or if you're an affiliate marketer, try to promote products that are not too high priced. Try to stick with low price items or CPA offers. Okay, another thing to consider is that most Reddit users are men, and short articles are the most popular on here. So you have the option of posting links, videos, images, or articles. If you're gonna post an article on here, make sure that it's short and sweet. And I shouldn't have to say this, but make sure it's high quality as well. Okay, because one thing you're gonna find on here is people do not like to get marketed to. They could smell a marketer miles away. So this site, unfortunately, is not really marketer friendly. So in the next video, I'm just going to go over how to approach this the right way and how to market on this site the right way. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to talk about how to market on Reddit.com the right way. As I said in a previous video, this site isn't really marketer friendly, and the majority of users on this site do not like to get marketed to. So this site is basically a site where you're going to have to make some contributions and post some helpful content first before you can start marketing to people on this site. Okay, and like I said before, you can promote all types of offers. You can promote CPA offers, ClickBank offers, and also your own offers. Just keep in mind, again, that the majority of people here are in the low income bracket. Okay, so you can also try to build your list here by giving away free items. Now, if you're going to promote affiliate offers, do not link directly to an affiliate offer or an affiliate sales page, okay, because your post will get downvoted. Okay, so you're going to want to first post links on here that link to your site, or post images that are not that are showing that you're not really marketing anything. So as a rule of thumb, for every post that you're trying to market, try to maybe post 9 posts that are helpful and that are not really marketing anything. Okay, and when you do try to promote something on here, make sure that the content you're providing is informative. Okay, so if you're linking to a blog post, make sure it's a helpful blog post. If you're linking to a video, make sure it's not one of those fake testimonial videos. So you're going to have to provide some high quality content here if you want to drive traffic to your offers. Now, if you're looking for a hot niche or a hot topic of the moment, the front page is basically a good indicator of what is hot at the moment. So if you're a marketer that wants to take advantage of the latest trends or hot topics, the front page is a good page to look at and is a good indicator of what is hot at the moment, and something that you could use as an angle when you're marketing your product. I also recommend you read the rules on Reddit and also on the subreddits, because they all have their own rules before posting any content on here. Now, when it comes to ranking, I'm not too knowledgeable on that side, but I do know that upvotes that are received during the first 10 or 12 hours actually count a lot towards the rankings of your post. So that's why you're going to see posts that have much less upvotes, and they're going to be outranking other posts that have a higher amount of upvotes. And so basically, if you get a lot of upvotes early on, that's going to count a lot towards your rankings. So make sure you put up your posts during the busy times of the site, when most people are on the site, which is basically before and after office hours. So maybe around before 5 a.m. and just right after or around dinner time, basically. And also, don't submit more than one post per day.